Hi, can you introduce yourself and the company?
Hi, I'm Kevin Shu. I'm the COO of Zeus VR, and our company is a blockchain VR game studio. We make video games on the blockchain, and right now we're here to promote our upcoming flagship VR project, Zeus VR Casino.
When was the company founded and what was the idea behind it?
Our company was founded in 2019, and our idea behind it is to bring younger players who might be more well-versed or familiar with the blockchain technologies and VR games into the scene to enjoy games with other people.
Can you highlight some of the main milestones, events, expansions of the company since its inception?
Since our inception in 2019, our company has released multiple games onto the blockchain, like Menami and Wimplace.
Can you help us understand the scale that your company operates in, like the number of games, licenses, or number of employees?
So we have released over 20 games on the blockchain, and we have 4 offices in Taiwan, and we have over 80 devs active.
What personally interested you to join this industry and this company in particular?
So personally, I'm an active gamer. I'm very interested in games and the future of games when it comes to VR, and also this to me is part of a family business, so that's why I'm in this company.
What is your personal favorite among the games, and do you have any fun memory that you don't mind sharing?
So my absolute personal favorite game of all time would probably be Prey 2017 from Arcane Studio. It's a really immersive game that puts you in first person exploring this space station, and there are these mimic aliens that could be human but you might not know, and the ending, there are multiple endings, and it's really a very open-ended game where you can start at any level, and those who haven't tried, you might like it a lot. It's a stealth game, first person, takes place in space.
So Kevin, are you going to do a game demo for us now?
Oh yes, I'm ready to go a demo for you. And this is our Zeus VR Casino game. And right now, the player Mindy is at the login page. And when you first log in, there'll be a quick tutorial, and she'll go ahead and start the game for you. 可以开始了. So first, it tells you what gestures and what controls are, so you know how to navigate and how to, change the settings and so on. Then click next and go back on it. Our player Mindy is very carefully reading all the rules. Here's the rules for chip selection or gestures and controls, and it's showing you how to grab the stack of chips or individual chips and place a bet. And here's a projectile type of betting where you can select the betting area by holding up a thumbs up, and then kind of like what Mindy's doing right now with navigation to pick where you want to land the bet or your physical location. You can also gesture all kinds of hand gestures in game because everything's motion sensor based and there's no physical controllers needed. And here she's picking out her favorite avatar setup and changing her hairstyles and clothing and so on. And here, all our merch options will be, there will be seasonal and limited drops added, so people and players are encouraged to collect the newest items and to stay in trend and to feel like fashionable and to express themselves. Here's Mindy's newest look. And now it looks like she's heading to one of the slot machines. Right now in game we have 3 different themes for the slot machines, and this one looks like a pirate themed slot machine. Here you can see that there's a auto play or auto spin function, and Mindy is now increasing her bet. On the left hand side you will see a eye icon, which stands for information or betting records, where you can view your betting history. And on the most left-hand side, there is the door out sign on the button, which is for escaping and quitting out of the game and backing out into the lobby. There you can see her waving and saying hi to some of the other in-game players and NPCs.
Now, for your odds of the games, are they real? Or let's not talk about the stock, let's talk about the cards. The real deck of cards, 3 decks, 6 decks.
She just won.
You have a lot of questions.
Seems like she decided it's time to quit after winning one big.
You're going to have companies come here.
Mindy is joining a roulette table now.
Real excited about it.
And here you can see that the player can get up closer to look at the roulette spins and the physics simulation.
Be done. This was in my head 9 years ago. And I saw Apple's and then I came here.
And above the roulette wheels is a countdown timer with a yellow wheel while it's counting down, and once it gets closer to 5 seconds, it'll be a red wheel. And there is the scoreboard on the left-hand side as well. It's always very exciting to see the landing of a roulette wheel ball. And here she's showing a instant join or teleportation feature where she can instantly hop to a different table and join a different game without having to navigate through the lobby. Here, Mindy's soloing a blackjack table with no other players right now. So here you can see our player picking up chips and placing a bet. And the cards are getting drawn. Mindy dislikes the cards that are being drawn. You can see the players, NPC from the other tables cheering for you. Sometimes also NPCs will come by the table and look over your shoulder and make you feel like they're cheering you up and enjoying the game with you. And that's a quick function key to leave the table. It's in front of you on the table and it looks like an analog physical button. And here she's just roaming around the casino lobby. She's headed to the bar, it seems like. There will be drinks and cigar options added in the future, but right now the bar is empty. Here she's hanging out with some NPC players and the lobby is looking pretty crowded. She's back at the roulette table once again. So right now in Zeus VR Casino, we have 6 games. We have Baccarat, we have poker, we have blackjack, craps, roulette, and slots. And there will be more games added on the way, so stay tuned.
What does responsible gaming mean in your words, and what can a game developer studio do to support that?
I think responsible gaming, in my own mind, means to play games at your own will and to not, more or less be played by the games, and to not, let it take over your life and other relationships, because it's very easy to immerse yourself in a game, which is why we play games and we want to, have a getaway, and it's kind of an escapist thing. And I really like to immerse myself in all kinds of situations, but at the end of the day, we have to also mind our own real life relationship with other people in our family and our loved ones. So that's what responsible gaming means for me.
How do you ensure that the games are fair in terms of the RNG?
So for us, we really pride ourselves as a blockchain game studio in this space, in this industry, because for us, all the records are verified and stored on the blockchain forever, so all the data are not to be tampered with. And that's how we ensure fairness in our studio.
What message do you have for those who haven't tried your games yet, and for those who are already enjoying it?
Well, definitely check out ZeusGames.io and ZeusVR.io and come on and try our games. Most of them are pretty much free to play and they're really fun, and it could be something refreshing and new for you. And for those who are already playing our games, thank you so much for all your support, and definitely keep on the lookout, and we have a lot more on the way, and a lot more is going to hopefully usher in a new way of gaming to the world. So please stay tuned.